What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Parks and Rec, and today we're talking about going on vacation. I'm going to head out to Florida around August 10th. Going to be staying there for about a week or so. Wanted to make sure I was packed up. Wanted to make sure my wheelchair was all ready to go. That I had my ticket all set up. Had to make sure my doggy was all taken care of. Before you set out on your trip, you want to make sure you get your wheelchair ready. You want to make sure you tighten up everything. Get all the hair that's out from in the casters. I almost would rather take the whole thing apart, which you can do with this bad boy. You want to get yourself an Allen key set. You can take your chair apart from top to bottom with literally just this set. I have a Tylite wheelchair. I think that's the more generic brand of wheelchair nowadays. It's pretty durable, kind of looks sporty. So I was using WD-40 for a little while, but I found that it evaporated. So I started looking around and I found this stuff, this 3-in-1 oil. Lubricates, penetrates, and annihilates the rust. No joke. It does very well. It lasts a lot longer. It doesn't evaporate as quickly as WD-40 would. And I swear by it. Make sure that if you're a wheelchair user taking medication, that you have it all properly labeled. Talk to your doctor about if you're able to bring certain medications to certain places. I know going to Thailand, China, and these other foreign countries, they're a little bit hesitant on certain things, so you got to get a doctor's note and make sure that you can go over the border with certain things. Things like catheters, you're going to want to bring extras. You don't know what's going to happen out there. You're probably not going to have any accessible catheters and around wherever you're going, so bring extras if you do need them. I'm blessed, so I don't need catheters. I'm able to go to the bathroom by myself. When traveling in a wheelchair, you're probably going to want to have a suitcase that has wheels. I use something like this, something I can roll with me, has 4 wheels. I can actually put my hand on here and push and keep pressure down onto the suitcase, and I can actually push one-handed and cruise throughout the whole airport. Or I use my Smart Drive, which is an automatic wheel. I'll be making some videos when I'm in that airport. Just of me getting into the plane, showing how different it is for us, people in wheelchairs, to get in and off planes. I've been making a ton of vlogs and videos when I'm out in Orlando and maybe Miami if we decide to go out there. Cause your boy's going to Disney World, okay? It's gonna be awesome. I'll be making videos the whole time. I got a GoPro, I'm bringing that with me. It's gonna be sweet. I got like a chest attachment. I don't know if I'm gonna wear that. It's gonna be really hot. I do have a head attachment too. I bought all these things pretty cheap from Kijiji. We'll see if I use them anyways. Rocco wanted to come say hi, I guess. Thanks for tuning in to Parks and Rec today. Just talking about things that you might need to go on vacation with. I'm gonna keep you guys in touch. It's gonna be a great time. I'm gonna keep communicating with you too. And yeah. If you liked what you saw or would like to talk to me more about certain things, more wheelchair related, you can follow me on any of my social medias. I stream on Twitch 5 days a week, usually in the afternoon. Link will be in the description below.